It's just a straight
This is
hit. No,
Barcelona.
if I lose
One,
it.
two, and I celebrate.
Bro, no, that's a waffle map. I die in every
Me?
time.
Who let him in?
Can't wait.
I'm not
I
even good.
clap
Because I have
cheeks.
Bro, you have a
Shotty.
13 streak.
Oh,
You
hell
have
yeah.
What?
Shotty. I can chant shotty.
Is that good?
Yo, what the hell? How is it 6v6? What?
Match
Yeah,
started.
I
I
give
think
me
we can
7v7.
cook them. But he has a streak of 13.
Yeah, you're right. It can.
Well, I had a streak of
Bro,
26 and I
Can
lost.
I mute myself? Because I kind of
Yep.
want to mute. Wait, why you say that?
They're going other side, other side.
I'm about to mute
Some people hit.
because
Some people hit.
muting makes me
What's wrong?
focus.
They're in the freaking bomb. Or not bomb. 16,
16.
39. Can't see them. I
19.
can't see us either.
I can't see him.
He left. Guys, he's left. Guys, he left.
Oh, he's down there. He's down there.
Guys.
74 in him. 74.
Dead.
Dead.
I'm
40.
being spammed. I'm being spammed.
Oh, I'm being stunned. I killed 2 people, guys.
There's one right, there's one right, there's one right. Blue one?
Right here. To your left. To your left.
Come on, we got this.
Oh,
You got
Go!
Let's go.
One more teammate, bro. We could win it.
Bro, I love my shotty.
40. I gotta play
Yo,
those.
so
Good one, living,
Bro, we actually win this.
Yo, I think they're all in the
They're
other
going
side.
anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, a guy right there at his base still. They're going to the other side. No, the other side. Over here. Other side.
Oh,
Oh,
my
shit.
grenade's not
The
ready.
whole team's on the other side.
40, 80. Nice one, good.
Oh,
Oh,
snap.
yeah, hit him for 90. 90.
Oh, 19.
40.
Oh my
Dead.
god, guys, I'm gonna die.
Oh, dead.
I'm gonna die. Oh, shucks.
I'm low.
Dead.
I hit that guy for 90.
Oh my God.
Yo, you're actually
good.
good.
I'm so low.
Oh, wait. 40.
Yo, my aim today's so bad. Yo.
17. Dead.
It's horrible aim today, bro.
Let's go.
Yes.
Go with the deagle.
Everybody. But every single
got
one of
5
y'all that were
kills.
alive were so low.
They
They were like
literally
below
playing
Round started.
I was on AHP. I was about to die.
Like on the
Bro,
side.
I was 15.
They
Oh,
literally
they was
playing
thinking because he was around.
But we
What do you
could be
think?
getting
Bro, I'm
sneak
gonna
attack
sacrifice.
from
I'm
behind.
gonna sacrifice. They don't want.
They
They're
have
on
put
two?
smoke
Nice,
bomb,
nice,
okay?
57.
Actually, I put the smoke bomb.
Oh, my fault, guys. My fault.
Dead.
Guys, there's one guy on the other side. There's one. I think the last guy's on the other side. One of the.
Mark them. There's 2 more people.
There's 2.
Mark them. All the over there.
He could be
Team
cooked.
match.
I'm on low. I'm
Watch out!
on
I saw a guy this
59
side.
HP.
Over here,
Yeah,
over
right
here,
there,
over
right
here,
there,
over
right
here.
Nice, nice. One more. Find him and mark him. Where is he?
But I have a feeling he's gonna come from behind.
And there's one more.
I see
Oh,
him.
found him,
I might
found
be
him.
Okay, I see him too.
Over here?
Yeah.
I see him. Yeah, sorry, buddy. You're
Bro,
not.
he's actually gonna spawn camp like that.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Him?
I got 7
And
kills.
him?
Hello, Daddy. You order
Yeah, I need to lie.
you
I
order
don't- Oh, you know, I'm not even playing that bad.
McDouble meal with a big combo.
I'll go on the other side.
Chicken nugget fries.
Yo, they're all
Me and
here.
Big Fatty.
15 on the wolf.
Guys, help Silas. Help Silas, bro.
15 again.
19 on Scuba Man. Sticky grenade, run.
9? What do you mean 9?
Guys, I've got no more. I've got no ammo, bro.
Dead.
Oh, behind
Right
us.
here, right here. Oh.
Guys, come on, y'all got this.
Shotgun spamming.
Come on,
Shotgun
teammate.
spam is
Come
kinda.
on, teammate. Teammate, don't die. Let's go.
Yeah.
Go to teammate. Let's go.
For the two lowest ranks for the survivor.
Yo,
Dun,
these
dun,
guys
dun,
got
dun,
it.
dun, dun,
These two
dun,
guys are
dun.
low got it, bro.
Hello.
Guys.
The
these
fun
guys are
ning
top,
the
these guys
fun
are top.
ning
Oh crap.
Asian call.
Guys, smoke grenade.
We're winning against these guys.
But what is this Asian language?
Bro, they got Apex.
Dun, 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 dun. Bro,
Yo,
they're
guys,
saying you
don't worry,
plant
you
the
guys
smoke
can
bomb
do it.
for us.
40.
Yo,
27 dead?
how I missed every single shot?
Let's go. Two more.
74.
Dead. One. Let's go. We won this.
Yes.
Let's go, guys.
Yes.
Got a
Good
14 win.
GG's, guys. GG's.
Let's go.
Easy.
My
I have
first
14 out of
victory.
14.
Bro, what's your streak now? 14, yeah. Okay. Shit. Wait, I'm gonna leave and then you join me. I got you.
Another match. You
You two queers, get over here and join me in 4v4. I'm gonna rail you.
Wait, please, XP.
I said you two queers. And
It's
you two
Apex.
get
No,
over here.
I
I'm
know
gonna
it's
touch you.
Apex,
Dang
but
it.
you're XP farming.
What does Apex mean?
Apex means you're really good at the game, and sometimes Apex
I
means
have a
you're.
higher MMR than
you're,
him. Does that mean I'm better?
Stop
Does that mean I'm
on the
better?
other
I have a
side.
higher MMR.
Nah, you're not high rank. He's actually better than you.
I got 20 bullets.
But it's
Mine's
okay, dude.
1506.
You're. Wait, we're
1506,
both
1501.
we're both
So what does
rangy.
that mean?
It's because I don't. Yeah, just because you have the higher anymore doesn't mean you're bad.
And you probably don't
Yes, it
want to
does.
lose
Because
your win streak.
Animor's ass. It don't really
And you
mean
probably
that.
and you probably don't want to lose your win streak.
Hey guys, I got this. Oh, hello.
Leave this game.
Huh?
I'm gonna leave the game. You're really better than me.
I got this.
Match starting. Round starting.
Here. You're blind. Wait, what the? Birds.
Round starting.
I'm doing the last one. No, how? I was looking at 1,000. How?
Bro, this rage quitting.
Round starting.
This way. Hey, let me alone.
Do what?
Bro, what the? Time.
Round starting.
Seven. Ah, you're trying to race with me.
Bro, let's cook this guy. Let's cook this guy.
Round starting.
I got distracted. Can I at least play this game? Can I at least play this game?
Cooking, okay, bye guys.